Welcome back to our SEO Masterclass. Today, we are unlocking the real power behind your content, not just creating it, but tracking how it's performing. Because in SEO, what gets tracked gets improved. So, let's break down SEO analytics and performance tracking in the most simplest, most practical, and no jargon, just results. So, let's start with how SEO and content marketing are connected. You can publish the best content in the world, but if you're not measuring what's working, then you're flying behind. Think of it like a fitness tracker for your website. Without it, you wouldn't know if your efforts are paying off. This section is all about tracker of your web. This section is all about using data to improve your SEO game, finding what content ranks, what needs a refresh, and what's bringing in results. Here, content marketing and SEO strategy, tracking and analyzing SEO performance is crucial for understanding what's working and what needs improvement. This module covers essential tools and techniques for monitoring SEO metrics, tracking keyword rankings, and optimizing based on data driven designs. Now, let's look at Google Search Console GSC for SEO, your free built in SEO dashboard from Google. Key features of Google Search Console: performance results, track clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position of keywords, helps identifying high performing and underperforming keywords. Here, it tracks keywords position, impressions, clicks, and CTR. For example, if your blog has high impressions but low clicks, you can tweak the title or meta description to boost engagement. The next one is coverage report. Shows indexing status of pages and highlights errors like 404 not found or blocked by robots. Shows which pages are indexed and which have errors like 404. URL inspection checks how Google crawls and indexes a specific URL. Checks how Google crawls a specific page. Sitemaps and robots .txt submits XML sitemaps and manages crawl settings. Mobile usability report identifies mobile friendliness issues and suggests improvements. It fixes mobile issues to improve ranking and on mobile devices. Now, have to use GSC for SEO optimization. GSC is also called as Google Search Console. Use GSC to spot low CTR and optimize meta title and descriptions, analyze top performing pages and replicate their strategies for other pages, fix indexing errors and ensure all essential pages are crawled by Google. It's like giving your content a second chance to shine. So now you know how Google sees your content, but what happens once a user clicks your link? Let's track that with Google Analytics. Here, Google Analytics for SEO tracking. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for tracking website traffic, user behavior, and conversions. Google Analytics is your behind the scene pass to how users behave on your site. The SEO metrics in Google Analytics, organic traffic measures how many visitors come from engines. It measures the visitors from search engines. It measures the number of visitors comes from search engine. Bounce rate, number of people who leave after one page. I indicates the percentage of visitors who leave after visiting one page. Average session duration shows how long users stay on the website. It shows how long average time spent on your website. User behavior flow tracks the journey of visitors across different pages. Sees which path users take. And conversion ranking measures goal completions like form submissions, downloads, and purchases. Tracks actions like sign-ups or purchases. Here, for example, if users land on your product page but bounce quickly, maybe the page needs better CTS or fast loading. Now that you're tracking behavior, it's time to watch your keywords position like a hawk. Let's jump into rank tracking. Knowing where your page ranks is like keeping score in a game. It shows whether your strategies are working. Have to use Google Analytics for SEO. Set up goals and conversions. Track sign up, sales, and other important actions. Analyze traffic sources. Identify which search engines and keywords drive the most traffic. User behavior flow reports. Understand user navigation patterns and optimize page links accordingly. Knowing page ranks is like a keeping score in a game. It shows whether your strategies are working. So here are top tools to track ranks. First one, Google Search Console. It has free option for tracking keyword ranking. SEMrush. It provides daily rank tracking and competitor analysis. Those are all the tools. Ahrefs monitors keyword positions across search engines. SCRP Watcher tracks rankings with simple dashboard. ACCO ranking offers real-time keyword ranking. So some of the best practice are to focus on high-value keywords. Monitor high-value keywords. Focus on money making and high traffic keywords. Analyze SCRP features. Check if keywords appear in feature snippets, local packs, or people also ask sections. Check if your keywords appear there. Compare desktop versus mobile rankings. Compare desktop versus mobile ranking, track mobile versus desktop rankings, track competitors rankings, identify competitors gaining traction, and adjust strategy accordingly. Track your competitors, keep an eye on your competitors. Now, SEO A/B testing is like a science experiment for your content. You change one element and see which version performs better. Now we have talked about tracking. Now let's test what works best with SEO A/B testing. Here, SEO A/B testing helps determine which strategies improve rankings and user engagement. So, what exactly is SEO A/B testing? What does testing mean? Testing is basically conducting an experiment between two things and trying to know better which works better. So it involves creating two versions of a web page, in making two versions of a web page with slightly different changes and testing which page performs better in search results. Example of SEO A/B test: what you can test. Title tag optimization. Test different title formats. For example, question based versus power based. Meta description variations. Experiment with different CTS and keyword placement, content length and structure. Compare short form content with the long form content. Internal linking pages. Test different linking structure to boost engagement. Page speed optimization. Measure how faster loading pages impact rankings. Now, first to do it, how to conduct SEO A/B testing. Select a page and identify the element to test. Pick one element to change. Second, create an attractive version of with one change. Use tools like Google Optimize to create an attractive version with that one change. Use Google Optimize or other testing tools again. Analyze performance changes over a set period. Monitor results for 2 to 4 weeks. Implement the winning version site-wide. Apply winning version site-wide. For example, testing a new title like 5 proven ways to boost SEO, increase CTR by 50%, small changes, big wins. Last but not the least, let's pull all this data into a clear visual reports. Time for SEO reporting and KPIs. SEO reporting involves tracking and measuring key performance indicators to access SEO success. SEO reports are not just for your boss, they help you see what's working and what needs fixing. Must track KPIs are organic traffic growth, measures overall SEO impact. Keyword rankings. What keyword ranking does is tracks the position changes in SERPs. CTR, it indicates how compiling title tags and meta descriptions are. Bounce rate and dwell time measures users' engagement. Conversion rate tracks lead generation and sales from organic search. Backlink monitors link building success. Page load speed, it increases your page speed and you can ensure optimal performance. Best tools for reporting Google Data Studio. Here are some tools. Google Data Studio, custom dashboards for SEO analytics. By using this tool, you can make a custom dashboard for your analytics. SEMrush and Ahrefs provides comprehensive SEO reports. Google Search Console can be used to track your keyword performance and to index your page. Most Pro and streaming from conduct in-depth SEO audits for technical SEO audits. For example, every month compare traffic, top performing pages, and backlinks gain. Use graphs to highlight improvements and show results very clearly. Data without insight is just noise, but with good reporting, you can take real strategic action. So, there you have it, SEO analytics and performance tracking made easy. From using Google tools to monitor progress to testing changes and reporting results, you now have the tools not to just play the SEO game but to win it. Keep tracking, keep improving, and let data guide your success. Thank you.